तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
गौरीनन्दन हे जगवन्दन।
गौरीनन्दन हे जगवन्दन।
गौरीनन्दन हे जगवन्दन। सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा।
पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा।
पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा।
पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा।
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा।
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा।
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा।
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा। जय पांडुरंग प्रभो विठ्ठला। जय पांडुरंग प्रभो विठ्ठला। जगदोधारा हरि विठ्ठला। जगदोधारा हरि विठ्ठला। पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला। पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला। श्रीरमणी श्रीदयान्तरंगा। श्रीरमणी श्रीदयान्तरंगा।
शिव 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 शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर साम्ब शिवो शिव 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 शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर साम्ब शिवो भवहर पुरहर पुटपर्तीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर सदा शिवो भवहर पुरहर पुटपर्तीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर सदा शिवो शिव 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 शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर साम्ब शिवो कैलासाचल बाल शिवा कालकूटधर बाल शिवा केलीलाल सबाल शिवा वीरा तांडव बाल शिवा केलीलाल सबाल शिवा वीरा तांडव बाल शिवा शिव 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 शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर साम्ब शिवो भवहर पुरहर पुटपर्तीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर सदा शिवो शिव 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 शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर साम्ब शिवो कैलासाचल बाल शिवा कालकूटधर बाल शिवा केलीलाल सबाल शिवा वीरा तांडव बाल शिवा केलीलाल सबाल शिवा वीरा तांडव बाल शिवा शिव 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 शिरडिपुरीश्वर शम्भो शङ्कर साम्ब शिवो
जय मां दया करो साई करो साई मां जगजननी साई मां जननी जगजननी साई मां
हरे कृष्णा मधुर मोहना राधिका जीवना राजीवनयना नंद सुनंदना गोपी रमणा वेणु विनोदना पाप विनाशना वेणु विनोदना पाप विनाशना माधव हरे कृष्णा मधुर मोहना
नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा शिवराजा शिवराजा नटन शेखरा राजा शिव नमो हर हर नमो शिव नमो हर हर नमो शिव शिव नमो हर हर नमो शिव नमो हर हर नमो शंकर शिव नटराजा शंकर शिव नटराजा शंकर शिव नटराजा 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 नटन शेखरा राजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा नमः पार्वती पतये हर पार्वती पतये हर ओम नमः पार्वती पतये हर पार्वती पतये हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा ओम हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा शिवराजा शिवराजा नटन शेखरा राजा शिवराजा नटन शेखरा राजा शिव शिव नमो हर हर नमो शिव नमो हर हर नमो शंकर शिव नटराजा शंकर शिव नटराजा 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 नटन शेखरा राजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा नमः पार्वती पतये हर पार्वती पतये हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा ओम हर 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 महादेवा नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठला जय पाण्डुरङ्ग विठला जय पांडुरंग विठला कस्तूरी रंग विठला कमलीय रंग विठला
मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना दीनावना करुणामया दीनावना करुणामया दीनावना करुणामया दीनावना करुणामया कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना रामा राघवा राजीवलोचना मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना दीनावना करुणामया दीनावना करुणामया कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया कमलनयना कौसल्यतनया मैथिलीपते रघुनन्दना
हे कृष्णा हे कृष्णा हे कृष्णा हे कृष्णा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा नंद किशोरा श्याम गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा हे कृष्णा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा नंद किशोरा श्याम गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा पांडुरंग 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 विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा
श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा श्रितजन परिपाला साईशा श्रितजन परिपाला साईशा श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा तिरुमलगिरिवासा गोविंदा तिरुमलगिरिवासा गोविंदा गरुड वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा गरुड वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा गोविंद गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद गोविंद पतिवास गोविन्द श्रीनिवास वेङ्कटेश
गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बालनाथ कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बालनाथ कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कमाल हारी प्यारी माई मीर मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय कमाल हारी प्यारी माई मीर मन विहार मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय राम कृष्ण जय राधा कृष्ण जय बाल कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय
मानस भजरे गुरुचरणम दुस्तर भवसागर तरणम. Meaning, O mind, contemplate on the lotus feet of your guru or master. That will take you across this bhavasagara, this ocean of mundane existence. Yes, today that little boy is known as Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, my Guru and my God. And I'm sure that he is Guru and God to thousands and lakhs and millions of people around the globe. But at the same time, he is not Guru and God to a million others. And so, one of the things that keeps motivating people like us, those who believe in him to be Guru and God, is let us go out and convince everybody else who don't believe in him that he is the supreme Guru. Let them also benefit in their life. And we will seem over enthusiastic and over zealous in that. If we go back to the first ever message that Swami gave, he said, O mind, contemplate on the feet of your Guru. He did not tell contemplate on the feet of Sai Baba or Satya Sai Baba. And if we look at Bhagwan's discourses throughout his physical sojourn on earth, never has he said, worship me, pray to me, I will take care of you, pray to me alone. Never. He has been very liberal, very inclusive, because that is the nature of God. So, when we feel that what should we do to prove to people that Swami is God, Swami is my Guru, Swami is a supreme spiritual being, seeing Swami's own life, the first answer that comes from my heart is, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What mattered for Swami is for a Muslim to be a better Muslim, a Hindu to be a better Hindu, a Christian to be a better Christian, a Sikh to be a better Sikh, a Parsi to be a better Parsi, and for a human being to be a better human being. In fact, he wanted everybody to realize their innate divinity, to arrive at the ultimate answer that all of us are sparks of the divine. So that is the answer from one perspective. On how do we convince others that Swami is Supreme Guru, there is no need. Second thing, see, this is a matter of faith. Faith is something very, very personal. And it has no reason. Let me just elaborate. See, when somebody asks me, why do you think that Sai Baba is God? Why do you think Swami is God? I might possibly narrate to them some amazing miracles, miracles of healing, miracles of transformation, miracles of many kinds and sorts, awe-inspiring, jaw-dropping. But then that is the answer I give when somebody asks me, why is Sai Baba God? But if somebody were to ask me, why do you believe in Sai Baba, that will not be the answer. Because all of these miracles, these experiences, these incidents, many of these things, most of these things, I got to know after having accepted Swami as my Guru and Master and God. It is not because of them that I believe. There is vibhuti pouring at my home someday. It thrills me. And I possibly show this to a few people at home or few people who visit home to ask them, how do you explain this miracle? But you know what? It is not because of that miracle that I believed in Swami. It is just my faith. Like when we are children, we are shown Jesus and said, He is our Lord. We are shown Ganesha and said, He is our God. And we just accept it. I don't question it for one moment at all. Of course, there are those who do not believe in God itself. That is the atheists. If we read the autobiography of the Indian ace cricketer Sunil Gavaskar, he records a very interesting incident. When he was born, he had a hole in his left earlobe. And his uncle noticed it on day one, a 1-year-old baby, and he notices that there is a hole in the earlobe. The next day when the uncle came to visit his nephew in the hospital, he was shocked because the baby next to his sister did not have that hole in the earlobe. That is when a search was launched and they discovered that in the process of giving the first bath to the babies had got exchanged. And Sunil Gavaskar was now lying next to a fisherwoman. And the cricketer records that I'm grateful to God for that hole in the earlobe, because if not for that, instead of scoring 10,000 runs for India in cricket, I would have been catching fish, possibly on the Malabar coast. No, the point I'm narrating this is to say that you cannot trust the certificate of a doctor and nurse or a hospital because they can make mistakes. You can have faith in it, but you cannot say that is solid, scientific, irrefutable, non-faith requiring evidence. And then let's come to this genetic testing itself. When you say we do DNA testing, for a layman, basically you take blood from me, you take blood from my father, put it in a machine. If the green light lights up, it means that I am the son of my father. If the red light lights up, it means I am not the son. It's like a third umpire in the cricket, external referee. That is what genetic testing to most of us is. Again, there I am having faith in that test. in that machine. How do I know that that machine is working fine? How am I sure that it is not just a switch connected to a light there? Just because there's a brand there, some world-renowned, world-reputed brand name on the machine, do I trust the machine? Yeah, I'm allowed to trust it, but then that is faith. That is not scientific. Unless you have built the machine yourself and you have verified that it works properly. Now let's say that you have actually done it. You are an ace engineer who has built the genetic testing machine all by yourself. But then even that machine works on some biochemical principles of chemistry, principles of biology. How do you know that those principles are valid? Because some Nobel Prize winning scientist said so? Again, it's faith. Faith in the institution of the Nobel Prize, faith in that scientist who did the work. Have you studied that work? In short, if we go on like this, in order to prove that you are your father's child, you need to have knowledge of engineering, you need to have knowledge of biology, you need to have knowledge of chemistry, you need to have all the knowledge in the world. Then alone can you say that I know for sure scientifically that I am my father's child. In short, you have to have all the knowledge in the world, meaning you have to be God. Therefore, to scientifically prove that God exists, you have to be God yourself. You have to become God yourself. So that is about faith. There's an easier way to know that I am my father's son. What is that? With faith, I accept that this is my father. And the way he treats me in life, it just proves to me that he is indeed my father. And if he does not treat me well, then it doesn't matter, right? Whether he is my biological father or not. In the same way, it works with faith. Can we give God a chance? Have faith and accept that the Guru and God exists. And then your experience will show you the truth. Science says seeing is believing. Faith says believing is seeing. And faith is something very, very, very personal. And therefore, it has to be personally experienced. Which again brings us to the fact that it is no use me trying to convince somebody that Swami is God. Instead, what I can do is examine whether I myself am convinced that Swami is God. Do I behave in a manner that my Swami, my God, is watching me every moment? He knows every thought that runs in my mind. He knows every beat of my heart. Do I have faith? When I don't have faith, how can I go and tell others to have faith? Many times in a single day, I myself behave, think and speak in a manner which I know shows that I don't have faith in my Swami. Then, when I don't have faith, how can I convince others that Swami to have faith in Swami? When I am myself poor, how can I help a beggar on the street? In order to give 10 rupees or $10 to someone, I must have $100 or 100 rupees. If I am broke, how can I give somebody else? When I don't have faith, how can I impart that faith to somebody? And if I have faith, then there is no need for me to actually impart it. You know, there was this student who once asked Swami, Swami, you say that with the help of your students, you will transform the world. But we are just a few students graduating every year and the world is such a large place. How can so few of us manage to transform such a huge world? The answer that Swami gave him is so beautiful. Swami told him, you don't worry about transforming anybody. You lead your life in a manner that Swami has taught you. And when you do so, I will ensure that people look at you, observe you, learn from you, get inspired and get transformed. Transformation of the world is not your business. It is God's business. He'll take care. Our business is to just live up to our faith. We need not die for Swami. We should live for Swami. If we live up to our own faith, as Swami has promised, the transformation will happen. That is why Swami always says, be, do, tell. First we must be what we profess. Then, based on that, we will do what we profess. And finally, we can speak about it. And when we speak after doing and after being what our faith is, the word automatically carries more weight. Many times we tell people to have faith in Swami when we ourselves lack. When there is no conviction backing our words, how will others get convinced? For conviction to back our words, we need to act in that manner. And to be able to act in the manner every moment of our life with full faith in Swami, we need to have that faith in Swami. It is that conviction that will help in the transformation. So in short, I will just sum up the three thoughts. One thing is, Swami himself didn't care which form or name of the God you worshipped or whether you worshipped God, as long as you were ready to follow values and search for the latent divinity. Second point, faith is a very, very personal thing, but faith is something everybody has. While going to bed at night, I don't write my will. I have not yet written my will. Because you know what? I have faith that I will get up tomorrow morning. It is faith that makes us believe in the axiom called parallel lines. The entire geometry depends on this axiom called parallel lines. Two lines that are parallel to each other will never meet. They will meet only at infinity. There is no proof for this. You just accept it, and then the beautiful world of geometry unfolds itself. So that is the thing. Faith is something very personal. And the third thing is, if we want our faith to have an impact on others, we must be true to that faith always. And then act in according to that faith. Then automatically we will speak in according to that faith with the conviction which will actually touch hearts. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
Sai Mahadeva, Satya Sai Mahadeva.
समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो